In a sunlit garage, modified guide fits a bold body kit on a hatchback, panels snapping into place. A glossy vinyl wrap follows, heated and smoothed with a professional squeegee, revealing a striking color shift. Under the hood, a practical ECU tune wakes the engine, while a quick dyno check records the gains. LED upgrades brighten every turn, with crisp daytime beams and subtle undercar lighting that keeps the stance bold. A final spoiler and exhaust swap cap the build, with real garage tips and dramatic before-after results.